Hi, I'm Candace Gourdain. I'm so excited. I want you to be able to feel better soon. Do you want to return to an active lifestyle where you're healthy and you don't have any pain or restriction because of your back? Are you ready to dedicate to care for yourself with consistent motivation? This course will transform and inspire you. You'll learn to alleviate back stiffness and achiness. You'll practice safe mind-body techniques. You'll build core strength and learn wisdom and how to move safely. You'll enjoy restorative days to put yourself on your own to-do list. You'll feel welcome and accepted where you are and will be proud of what you can do. I created this course for those of us who want safe, reliable, effective ways to heal our backs and live a free life. I know you want to feel confident, and I want you to feel that it's okay to claim who you are without any of those painful limitations. I'm a fitness, yoga, Pilates leader, and I've been fortunate that I've not had serious back pain, but I've learned to maintain a vigorous exercise schedule with this education and practice of scientific guiding principles. I am stronger now than I have ever been, and what you will get is scientific information that'll help heal and maintain a healthy back. This is just a 14-day course. It's only going to take 20 minutes a day. You will feel better and you will have safer movement. You will learn confidence and you will feel uplifted by my kind and considerate approach. Who should take this course? People of all ages, of all fitness levels, the fit and the unfit. This will become your favorite part of your day.